Question number 4. Express each of the following as product of prime factors only in exponential form. First, 108 into 192. So we are going to make prime factors of 108 and 192. So we'll begin with 2, 54, 27, 39, 33. For 192 also we'll begin with 2, 108 we can write 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 is there 3 times 3 to the power 3 into for 192 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1 or just 3. So we are going to take 2 to the powers together, multiplying them 2 to the power 2 plus 6 and 3 to the power 3 plus 1. This gives us 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4. Second part, 270. We'll begin with 2. This gives us 135. 345 are 315 and 35. So 270 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 5. Third part, 729 into 64. Seven 29 will begin with 3, 243, 81, 27, 3 and 3. So 729 it can be written as 3 to the power 6. We'll check 64 now. So we'll begin with 2, 32, 16, 8. So this is 2 to the power 6. We can write this as 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6. Fourth part, 768. So we'll begin with 2. 384, 192, 96, 48, 24, 'So here we are having 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power 8 into 3 as the prime factors of 768. Fifth question, simplify. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 by 8 to the power 3 into 7. In these type of questions, if you see any composite number, like in this case 8 is a composite number, then you should convert it into powers of its prime factors. So 2 to the power 5 into 2, using the law a to the power m in m and to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n into 7 to the power 3. Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and there is another 3 here, 8 to the power 3. So this to the power 3 into 7. This is 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3 by 2 to the power, this 3 and 3 will multiply, 2 to the power 9 into 7. Now we'll take 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 9, that will be 2 to the power 10 minus 9, and 7 to the power 3 by 7, that is 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So this is 2 into 7 to the power 2, which is 2 into 49 and the answer is 98. Second part, 25 into 5 to the power 2 into t to the power 8 by 10 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. So there are two composite numbers here. We have 25 and 10, जिसे हमें उसके prime factors के form में लिखना है. So I can write 25 as 5 to the power 2 and I can write 10 as 2 into 5 whole to the power 3. 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, it will become 5 to the power 2 plus 2. Here I can separate. I can write 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. This becomes 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. So we have in the numerator and the denominator 5 some powers and t some powers. So we are going to use the division law here. So with that, we can write it as 5 to the power 4 minus 3 into t to the power 8 minus 4, this whole by 2, 2 to the power 3. So this will be 5 into t to the power 4 and 2 to the power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that can be written as 8. So this is our answer. 5 t to the power 4 by 8. Third part, 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. यहाँ पे 10, 25 and 6 ये सब composite numbers हैं, तो हम इन्हें इनके prime factors के powers के form में लिखेंगे. 3 to the power 5 into 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power 5 and 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 7, 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5. So we have 3 to the power 5, separating 2 into 5 whole to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. We are going to collect similar terms together. So we have 3 to the power 5 in the numerator and the denominator according to the division rule. 3 to the power 5 minus 5, 2 to the power 5 minus 5. Now in the numerator, 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 2, this will become 5 to the power 5 plus 2. So we have 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 7 by 5 to the power 7. Anything to the power 0 is 1 and 5 to the power 7 minus 7, even that is going to be 1 because it will be 5 to the power 0. So our answer is 1. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and